Okay, now I want to show you the basic model for the distillers that I have. So for this model, it has no interface, so what you can do is just turn it on like this. So after you turn it on, you can see that the fan is turning. It means that it's working already. So this machine, because it's basic, so it only has a distillation mode for water. So it will slowly heat up the water now, and when it's actually done being heated up, the steam generator will go through this system and it get cooled down by the fan, and slowly the water will drip out and it will come down into this container that it gave us with. It comes with every unit, so this is a glass container, right? So yeah, there you go, the basic model. If you like this product, you can let me know, I can sell it to you. And if you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share. And thank you so much for joining by. See you guys. Bye. God bless. Alright, so this is the result of the process. So you can see that the distilled water is now dripping out. Yeah. There you go. Hi everyone, now I'm going to show you this distiller that I have. Okay, so this is the basic model that I have for this one. So it comes with a manual, cable, and this is the handle. Right. And this is the unit itself. Okay. Okay, this is how the basic model looks like. And this is the inside of the basic model. The inside of the head. The cooling head. Okay, so this is the jug that comes with the basic unit. Okay. It's a glass jug. The cover is plastic. It comes with a handle which I have yet to install. So yeah, there you go.